Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can blur face only in CapCut PC. So in here, you need to add the clip and then just start by copying it and put it on top as overlay. Then you just gonna go to effect and add the blur effect. Click on effect and then lines and choose the blur. Okay, this one. Add it to the clips. Okay, after that, create a compound clip of the overlay and also the effect. So select both like this. Right click and click on create compound clip. So now click on the compound clip and then you need to go to mask. Now select circle and here drag the blur to the face. Then you can just adjust the size and also position like this.
Generations.
I think you need to feather it out first, so just scroll down on the masking and add some feather like this. Okay, let's see the result.
Generations human beings have felt it and not
So
really even
if
been
the
able
object the face is moving, you need to use the keyframe in the position to match the blur with the face. So I'm going to add just like this again, and that's it. You can now see that the face is blurred like that.
generations human
Okay
beings have
guys, so
felt it and
that's
not
all
to
so
put
much watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye!